Hi everybody! Happy 4th of July weekend. You might be wondering why I'm sitting kind of in the dark, but it's about my product that I have today, which, let me get it. It is called the, Light Up Your Life Remote Control Ocean Wave Projector Nightlight by Weird Beast. It comes in white or black. I clearly have the white one here. And it's available on Amazon. So what you do is, it comes with the cord, which you can plug into any USB board, which I got my block back here, which is by Orico, which I got everything filled up. And it also comes with an aux cord, because you can play music from your phone or iPod, computer, anything like that. Because you can see there's a little speaker over on this side. It comes with the remote, which my remote is currently upstairs. So luckily there is touch keys, which I found that sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So usually you want to have the controller on you. And that's what the top looks like. And, well, here once. And we got light. Okay, this one can't really, not gonna project well. But the first setting is like a green, red, and blue light, sort of like a slow wave. Oh, you can kind of see it on my hand. So, see. Okay. Don't really have anything. There we go. I figured it out. Just kind of project on the wall behind me. Okay. And then second one. Okay. I hit the up button. Second one is green with a little bit of red that's going into it. Okay, it's going through the different colors. Now we got blue back there. It is buzzing a little bit while it's switching through the colors. I don't know if you can hear the buzzing on your end. Yeah, it's kind of like a purpley color. Well, purple on my end. I don't know if it's... Yeah, it's just kind of showing up as red and blue. But it looks almost purple. There's blue. Green. Green's not really... See if you can kind of see more on my arm. Oh, that one's... It seems like when it's shifting through the different colors, then you get a buzzing noise. Oh, here we go. Putting my eyes a little bit. I know that you guys see it projecting back there, but it's just shining straight into my eyes. So I gotta kind of look this direction. I'm going to get blinded here. Okay, there we go. Let me... I was trying to see if it also plays sounds. As an ocean sound, crickets, which got on my mom's nerves. She almost threw this across the room. But it seems like you can only play that through with the controller. Let me see if I can hook my phone up and play some Pandora. My phone takes forever to load. It's not overly loud, but it's loud enough that you're probably not going to be able to hear me over this. So, let me turn that down some. So if you wanted to, you could have your own music and light show going on, because having it sitting on your tabletop, it projects all over the ceiling, on the walls, and I'm not sure about using it as a nightlight though, with like the sound machine part of it, because it is pretty bright of a light. But let me turn that off. Oh, and to let you know, the speaker still works when you have it off. See? Turn that on. So, thank you for watching my video, and I will post the link to their Amazon page if you would like to buy one of these in either the white or the black. I don't even know what I clicked. It makes a clicking noise whenever you touch it. And I don't know, let me turn this off. Have a good weekend. Or the rest of the weekend. Almost work week.